I am sure sports here with Kemar Foster, backing the Waterhouse team back with a bang, getting the man of the match performance. Sum up your day-to-day goalkeeper Foster.
It was awesome to be back and have a great game with my team. We really go out there and fought hard for this victory, and I just have to come and perform.
What do you say about the goal that your teammates scored, Denado Thomas?
I don't know comment.
No comment. No comment. So, how you think your preparation is going for the Caribbean Championship?
It's going very, very well so far. All I have to do is just keep my foot down and go in the training session and work very, very hard, and then see what happens.
I never get to ask this question. How well Mr. Sewell, Andrew Safe and Sewell prepares you guys?
Very well. Hard in the training session. He's very tough on us, so we just have to go there and perform. As you see, we are doing it so far.
Thank you very much, Mr. Foster. Continue to do well, and hope you get more man in the match.
Thank you very much.